Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Software testing week 9, assignment 9. So the first question is, how is overloading different from overriding in object-oriented programming? So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is A. Now the second question is, which of the following represents use of super keyword? So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is also A. Now the third question is, while applying the mutation operator that deletes a method call, how is the value to be returned by the deleted method passed back to the caller method? So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is B. The value returned by the deleted method is replaced with a suitable statement in the caller. Now the fourth question is, when mutation testing is applied as a black box testing technique to mutate the input, which of the following statement hold true? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is B. Now the fifth question is, when we change a method call is divisible a comma b2 is divisible b comma a is an example of which of the mutation operators listed below. So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is B. Integration parameter variable exchange. Now the sixth question is, state yes or no the programming language Java does not support multiple class inheritance and hence each class only has a single parent. Yes or no? So the answer of our sixth question is A. Yes. Now the seventh question is, which of the following integration mutation operator represents changing the order of argument in method invocation to be the same as that the another overloading method if one exists. So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is C. Argument order change. Now the eighth question is, state true or false. While testing inputs using mutation testing, the inputs always have to adhere to their underlying syntax. True or false? So the answer of our eighth question is A. True. Now the ninth question is, toward ensuring that mutation testing subsumes edge coverage, which of the following mutation operators are used? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is also A. Relational operator replacement. Now the tenth question is, which of the statement below are true with reference to mutation testing subsuming all depth coverage? So these are the option, and the answer of our tenth question is A. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.